Hello everybody, we're here in the shed, and today I'm going to show you all the organizing I did, because if you're not familiar, I moved into this place not too long ago. It's been about, I'd say 3 or 4 months, and I'm still trying to figure out all the spacing and inventory space, like storage and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys around and see what we can look at. So like as in David D fashion, I gotten so much inventory for either cheap or for the free that I am going to be listing for probably the next 2 weeks without any interruptions, my friend. And it's going to be glorious, because once I list this all, I'm going to be making money. Hello everybody, it is nighttime and I have everything organized. Got the Liz Claiborne purse over there for my grandma. Got the desk right there with the shelf under it. And then in here, you can't really see. You guys can see that I got the soft stuff right there with the desk right here. 2 bags are going bye-bye sometime later in the future. We got some stuff right here on top. We have some other stuff. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you around. And yeah, we got a lot definitely cleared up. It took me all day. I finally got this over here. This is a signed Arnold Palmer Beverly Hills Club invitational flag. Very cool. And then yeah, so we have everything over here. Very nice. And it's all like this. Very cool.
Hello everybody, it is me, David D, and I finally got all that stuff sold from the, the curb trash thing. It's been like 3 weeks, and I got most of it sold already. I got it sold on Facebook, eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, all that. Some of it's not sold yet, and I will definitely show you guys that.
So coming from the door, we can see that we have our wooden shelf. And it is definitely not full anymore, my friend. Not anymore. But we moved the beds to the right. And yeah, the reason for that not being full is because I've done whatnot shows. So we moved the bed to the right some more. And it turns out, guys, I cannot get rid of them. I'm going to have to keep them. So I'm just going to use the backdrop for clothes. And we're going to put more of these shelves that you see over there. But we'll get to that in a bit. So we have everything that I'm going to list over here with the shipping supplies all up in there. We have the washer and dryer with that stuff up there that we don't really mess with for reselling purposes, of course. Then we have the toys that are doing pretty good view-wise. And we have a lot of stuff from my friend Ben that we listed. We have a lot of Sonic and Deadpool stuff. I guess he was a huge fan of that and he gave it to me. I sold the Xboxes, if I even showed it to you in the previous clips. I hope I did. But I got 2 Xboxes, and I sold those pretty quickly. So yeah. We come here and we see that on my dryer, this is just my clothes, guys. Don't worry about that. We come over here, we see on my dryer, I got like a little shelf here. And then you can still kind of get into it. But I got a shelf that I'm going to keep here. And yeah, so I'm just going to put random stuff on there. Anything on this bench, I decided I'm going to sell my whatnot. So anything that is you see all the way to the very back is going to be for my whatnot show. And my laptop goes here. And then it faces this way. So I just stream from this angle, kind of like facing towards it. And then yeah, so this is my wall that I showed in some clips earlier. It's still doing pretty good. Got some stuff that I do, some like givvies, anything givvy wise, card wise, I put over here. And yeah, it's been doing pretty good. So this is everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you like it so far. Please give it a like and a subscribe. But I got 2 benches right here that I went ahead and put some stuff on. I need to tie them together so they don't wobble. But other than that though, doing pretty good. And I found some more inventory like these up here I have listed, but I found some more, and then I even have the black one right there. And I got that, so I just got like a free inventory right there basically, so that's nice. And a lot of this stuff I got from Shop Goodwill. So yeah, sorry if I'm moving the camera around too much. I'll try to slow it down. Just leave a comment, tell me if I'm moving around too much. So we sold these two hats. They're Adidas, I believe they're Air Zeros, and this one's a Climacool. And we're gonna just go ahead and they're not list them, but we're gonna go ahead and put them in bags, because for that, they're already soft. I don't think it requires any like kind of extra padding. So we're just gonna put it in a poly mailer, and it looks like they don't really fit too well. So let's try to get them in here where they're not going to be like deformed when they get out of the bag. So, and just a good tip, you see how like this side's really deformed? We wouldn't want to put our shipping label there. We want to put it on this flat side. So definitely try to optimize your shipping label for USPS so they can scan it better for you. Because you never know. One little mistake might make an extra day for your shipping packages to take, you know, like longer.